So I'm with him here at the restaurant, and this is my beloved Pedro.
Nice to meet you, everybody.
And I want him to join with my video today. Just like I like you. So we are waiting for his order. And this restaurant, I really like their food.
But she doesn't want to eat because she doesn't know what she wants, which
Yeah.
is very bizarre.
I think I'm not yet that's so hungry. So yeah, later I think. So and then that's it, and I'll show you later what foods they have. That's very nice and it's very interesting. It's Romanian foods. So yeah, see you. Our order is here. I'll show you with the very a lot. How much is this? How much did you pay it? So much.
I think it's almost.
Almost what? No, I mean how much did you pay this?
Yeah,
How much it's all
in
this
euro
includes?
or in lei?
In lei?
It's 36.
In euro. 36? Not so much, right?
It's like
I tell you the prices. It's not so. It's not so bad.
it's like 750 euros.
Not too bad. 750 euro. Not so bad.
But I bought another the dessert.
Better. Oh.
The dessert, the pancake.
Also have the desserts, and this one is so much food. So I think 2 people can finish this. Can I share little? I wanna share little.
You can start tasting it.
Okay, now we have to start with the fries. This is a common food of Romanian fries. And then the chicken. It's kind of sour, but the taste is balanced and I like it so much. I tried this already for 3-4 times because I really like this kind of dish. Chicken with sour. So nice. So yeah, with bread. They have a big bread, you see. And then if you are residing here in Romania, everywhere, just you can find it in restaurant famous. You just find famous restaurant, I think. Yeah, everywhere in Romania. So you can choose. They have a lot of different kind of dish, but this is my favorite now. I like it so much. And yeah, well, that's it for today. And then later we'll go somewhere. We'll go somewhere.
I'm hungry.
So I need to let him eat first before that, and then we'll show you around later. So it's sunny day. It's sunny day, but it's already. What time is it?
I don't know.
6, right?
7 even.
7 in the evening, but still sunny day. So it's very nice here, and then it's not that very cold, so I like it so much. So but in winter I am not really sure with the weather because I'm lamigin. I'm lamigin. I mean, I'm a cold person. So we have to start eating now. Just wait. I need to pull you down.
He wants to record everything?
So, meron silang pancakes. Is this? Pancakes American. And we have to try it. good.
Very good.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Very good. Yummy. So, do this. And this is, what's the purple? What's this purple?
It's jam.
A jam. Blueberry jam. See? Blueberry jam. I'm not used to eat the pancake because it's too sweet, and I think it depends of the taste or the flavor. See, I'll show you. And this white is a cream. I don't know what kind of cream, but I'll show you. This one is so yummy. So yummy. Masasabi ko okay ang pancake nila, American pancake from famous restaurants.
Pancake.
Very nice. Pancake.
Blueberry.
Blueberry, yeah. Blueberry with cream.
Yeah.
Cream. And yeah, that's it. Yummy. Super good. So this is I think this is my first time to taste this kind of pancake. So it's yummy. So, here we go guys. Pagkatapos namin kumain ng hapunan na namin yun galing sa Famous. So, ngayon nagpunta kami dito sa lugar. Tingnan yung lugar guys. Alas 8 na dito anyway. Pero, kung makikita nyo, see? Ang liwanag pa din. So, yan ang dagat. Iikot ko kayo saglit. And, see? Ang ganda ng kanilang tanawin. So, ang araw ay nandyan pa din. Uy, so nice. And then, dito. Uy, may tao. Makikita nyo dyan. Ang lawak ng kanilang dito. Lugar. Pero malapit lang din kami sa Constanza. Pero maraming lamok. Oh my goodness. Ito. Tingnan nyo. Pababa yung kanilang daan. Medyo malamig na ngayon. Kasi alas 8 na ng gabi. Pababa yung kanilang daan. Kung makikita nyo. Ayan. So, idikit ko ngayon ang aking kamera. Nakikita nyo kapag ka-summer. Teka, ayusin ko yung kamera ko ha. Medyo magulo tayo ngayon. So, malamok na. Dito banda, malamok na. So, makikita nyo, may sasakyan pababa. Yan. Tapos, ito yung daan papunta doon sa dagat nila. Pero ganitong oras, medyo medyo malamig-lamig na. Tapos, malamok dito banda. Kung makikita, malamok. And then, plano namin pumunta doon sa dulo. Sa dulo. Kasi parang may mga nagka-camping doon. Pero tingnan natin kung gaano karami yung mga tao doon. Tara, let's go! Guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ang ganda ng kanilang bulaklak. Purple na purple. Ganda no? Ang ganda no? Tapos, punta tayo doon sa baba. Let's go! So, sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, lalabas tayo dito. Nandito tayo ngayon sa labas. Dahil gawa ng malamok, nasa loob lang si Petro. And then, papakita ko sa inyo doon sa labas. So, here you go. Okay. Takot siya sa mosquito. Kung makikita nyo ha, pumapangit na yung camera ko. So, andun yung dagat, banda. Pero feeling ko, let's go. Pero feeling ko kasi, ang feeling ko ay wala ng feelings dahil malapit na magdilim. So, ito. Pakita ko yung daan papunta doon, okay? So, ito yung daan. Yan. Papunta kami sa beach. Pero grabing lamok talaga. The mosquito is trying to catch up. Catch up! Catch up! I have a big boy here. So, kaya kung makikita nyo ang ganda, no? Puting-puti ng ano, puti ng kanilang ano, puting-puti. So, we'll see. Tingnan natin doon kung gaano kaganda yung kanilang dagat. Maganda ngayon magalagala, lalo na pagka-summer. Kasi marami tayong mapupuntahang mga pasyalan. Kasi ngayon nagsisimula na silang ayusin yung mga bawat mga beach. Naayos na nila, pinapaganda na nila kasi alam nila maraming tourist na parating this coming summer. So every summer ganon talaga yung mga kalakaran dito. Medyo busy. So expected sa mga nanny and helper na stay in working every summer. Grabe kayo kabisi niyan. Grabe ka busy. Lalo na pag may mga alagang mga bata. Kasi yung mga bata, yung mga magulang mahilig mag-beach, maliligo sa dagat. Halos araw-araw kayo nakatira. So, ay medyo malayo nilakad namin. At titingnan namin. So, ngayon sinusundan pa rin ako ng lamok. Nandito yung ano. Actually, pag gabi na, 8:30 na ng gabi dito. Pero kung makikita nyo, medyo maliwanag pa rin. Kung makikita nyo kasama ko, nagpa-flying na back. So, hindi na siya ganun kalamig para sa akin kahit na gabi na. Kasi, summer na guys. Namiss ko na rin namang mag-swimming. Maligo sa dagat, char. Hindi naman talaga ako mahilig maligo sa dagat. Pero, ngayon parang nagkakaroon ako na parang excited na ako maligo sa dagat. Kasi ano, itong lugar nila is nakapalibot dito yung mga dagat. Puno ng dagat dito. So, kung makikita nyo, puting buhangin yung nilalakaran ko. See? Andito na tayo sa dagat. Medyo malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo. So, ayan. Okay, kita nyo. Ang ganda ng tanawin. So, dahil gabi na, ayun, may mga tao doon nagka-camping pala. Kung makikita nyo, i-zoom ko ha. I-zoom ko, wag yung mukha ko makikita. Ayan, may nagka-camping. Okay. So, yan. Okay naman. Diba? Teka lang yung camera ko. Ano ba yan? Namumutla. Sorry. Namumutla yung camera ko. Lamok. Lamok. It's full of mosquito here. And, yan. See? See, ang ganda rin ng ano, ng view there. There. Haha. You can see. Hahaha. See? Can I ask what's the name of this place?
Corvo.
Corvo.
It means the raven.
The
Raven.
raven?
The raven, yeah.
Ah, the raven. So, kayo nang bahala mag-intindi kasi ako hindi ko alam. Pero ang ganda, ang tahimik ng ano ng alon ngayon. So, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Yeah.
Can you stop it?
Okay. What's that? Ano yan? So, ito guys, magbibilang ako ng 3. Pagbilang ko ng 3, kakalimutan ko na siya. Char. 1, 2. We go there. Go.
No, because there You see? No entrance. It's forbidden.
It's forbidden to come there.
Yeah, because it's a military base.
So we're just leaving.
Only there.
So there are people doing camping
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, and they are doing barbecue.
Barbecue. Nag-ano sila nagbabarbecue, mga gays. Tapos yan yung kinaganda. Oh, ang ganda talagang maligo. Kaya lang, masyado pang malamig ngayon. So maybe in the right time next week, maybe it's already summer. Grabe naman itong mga lamok, walang katapusan. So dahil malamok ngayon, gawa ng malamig pa rin. At saka nakapaligid dito yung mga damuhan, tsaka mga kahoy. Kaya, okay, dito lang muna. Ang ipapakita ko sa inyo na pasyalan. Sa susunod, igagala namin kayo sa ibang lugar. So, subaybayan nyo lang po kung gaano kaganda for you, for us, I don't know. Basta kung gaano, ano yung kanilang lugar dito, kung ano itsura, okay? So, kayo nang bahala kung nagustuhan nyo o hindi. Basta for me, okay lang. Medyo, basta okay lang siya. Masaya. Bye for now. Woo.